Hey y'all, I thought we could spend a few minutes and just build a wreath base today. So I started out with a wreath frame, and you'll see that I have some pipe cleaners. What I do is I alternate between high and low whenever I'm placing the pipe cleaners on each of the bars. I go all the way around the frame. This frame actually has 8 sections. So there are basically 2 pipe cleaners to each section. So you'll have about 16 pipe cleaners when you're done. Next, I'm going to bring in my mesh. I actually use a 21-inch wide mesh for this. And what I do is I start out with one of my lower pipe cleaners and I tie that first little grouping of mesh on it. And then for the inside of the frame, I measure about 9 inches for each puff within the sections on the inside. Now as I transition to the outside of the frame, I'm going to actually measure out about 10 inches of mesh for each of these puffs. You can see they're a little bit larger, but the space between feels like it's a little bit larger as well. So I want to give a little extra length to make sure that I've got plenty of depth within my mesh. So I'm going to go all the way around, and then I'm going to make one more loop around my frame by going through the inside or the middle of the 2 pieces of mesh that I've already gone through. You'll see here that I am tying that section to the back of the frame. And basically I measure about 9 inches and then I lap it through within the middle of that frame. Once you've gone around, you've done everything you need, and here's your base.